Welcome to OnSafe Line's tutorial on SMART, our sickness absenteeism program. This tutorial will cover the initial setting up of SMART's employee sickness monitoring screens. Before starting, it is best to check that your computer is showing the correct date, as SMART uses this when creating its first employee sickness matrix. So to begin, on the Home tab, you will see a button labelled Update Employee Sickness Matrix. This brings up the employee's current sickness matrix, which will initially be blank. Clicking on the initial setup button brings up a message box which basically tells you no employees presently exist in SMART's staff table. Please close this form and enter at least one new member of staff. This is why this form's blank, because no employee exists for a matrix to be created. So let's quickly close this and input a new employee. Go to the Admin and Support tab and click Add New. The first thing you'll notice about this form is it's bright red, and this is telling us that record details incomplete. Please complete all fields until the form turns green. It's very important to make sure that all details are entered to ensure that the integrity of information throughout SMART is consistent. So let's enter one new employee. Surname first, followed by first name. Tab down, enter a location. And what's happened here is SMART knows that Ramsgate doesn't exist in the locations table as yet. So it's asking us, would we like to add this? So we can add this on the fly just by clicking yes, locations table Ramsgate, and close. Add a unique staff reference number. Job description, let's say this person is a QHSC consultant, and again this particular job description doesn't exist in the job descriptions table, and again we can add it on the fly. Close that, and the last bit of information needed is the reports to. So let's say this person reports to the QHSC director tab, and again this person doesn't exist in the reports to table, so we quickly add that, and voila, the form's gone green. So SMART has all the information it needs for this particular employee and informs us by telling us the record's complete and it's turned green. So if we close this, go back to the Home tab, click again on the Update Employee Sickness Matrix. First note that we're on the right employee, Welch Bryant, and we can see that the matrix has started to be completed with some rows and columns and some days, Sunday to Saturday, across the top. Right, this time when we click on the initial setup, we get a different message box. Initialization routine complete. Produce matrix. Yes, we do that because that's what we're trying to do. Confirmation message, and there we have the matrix for 1 year, weeks 1 to 52 down the left, week 52 being the most current for this example, being the 5th of March 2011, going back 1 year to the 13th of March 2010. So this matrix will hold 1 year's worth of sickness data. Just quickly add a couple of S's to indicate that sickness can now be added, and note that the numbers increment. So that's basically it for this tutorial. Please take time to view some of our other tutorials on SMART and additional QHS business software solutions. Thank you very much for watching.